guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way you can achieve box braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Shine and Gem, my rat tail comb, my crochet needle, and this expression hair. This is just a regular 82-inch expression hair, guys. So I'm using about 3 packs of this hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take it out of the pack and then I'm going to cut it in half, just exactly the way I'm doing. Okay, and then I'm going to feather the hair because I like my hair to have that tail to it, you know, that little nice tail. The ends should be nice and pointy or whatever. Okay, once I'm done feathering the hair, I'm just gonna take my brush and then just brush the hair all the way down. That way, you know, it's really nice and manageable when I start parting it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb and then I'm going to start sectioning from the back, a straight line going all the way, you know, from ear to ear. And then I'm going to take my Shine and Gem, making sure the line is really nice and clean or whatever. And then I'll section the back into 3. Once I'm sectioning, I'm taking rubber bands to secure the hair. So I'm not going to be using rubber bands for my style, guys, for this hair tutorial. I am not. I'm just going to use them to hold the hair. If I just, you know, section my hair without using the rubber bands, the sections are just going to disappear, okay? This style right here is very easy. This is the style that I did in my purple bob, but people wanted to see if they can do this in black hair, you know, just to see how it looks in long hair, black hair. This actually comes all the way through because it is actually the same color. Once I'm done sectioning my hair, I'm just going to start parting the hair. So I'm just gonna do like a regular box braid. You know, one part is gonna be small and then the other part is going to be bigger. Once I'm done sectioning my hair, guys, I'm just gonna take the clips and make sure my hair is out of the way, you know, the remaining of the hair. Okay, we're going to toss the rubber band out. Okay, sis, take your Shine and Gem, apply to the hair, and then section your hair into 3. You're gonna do like you're doing a normal plait. You know, you're just trying to do a normal braid on your natural hair. Just making sure you're not braiding your hair too tight. You want to be able to pass your crochet needle in, but also the expression hair in, okay, the braiding hair. And I'm just gonna take this smaller piece. I'm going to take my needle, you know, my crochet needle, placing it upwards, open the latch, okay? Oh, somebody say, Tupo, it's not called the latch, it's the hook, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna open the hook, okay? Place the crochet hair on the hook. And then close it and pull it out. Exactly the way I'm doing, guys. As you guys can already see, it is already hiding my natural hair as I just placed it downwards like that. And it wasn't even hard for me to place it in because I told you guys not to braid too tight on the base right there, okay? Anyway, so I'm just gonna take the second piece, right? The bigger piece, I'm just gonna take it, place it on the top, and then I'm going to be holding my hair, you know, with my index finger and my thumb, okay? And then I'm just gonna go around with it, trying to make like a knot. But I'm making it tighter on the bottom, that way, you know, it doesn't slip or anything like that, okay? But don't do it too tight that you want to have a headache. Just gonna go around with it and then start braiding all the way down. Very simple, guys. Oh my gosh, if you guys haven't tried this method right here, you better try this because it works for everybody. I mean, this right here, if you don't know how to grip the roots, sis, this is what you need. This is what you've been waiting for. People have trouble, you know, gripping hair, you know what I'm saying? You know, like just to start the box braid, that's where people have trouble. But this method right here is going to work all the time, sis. And then you're just gonna tie a little knot at the end. That way you do not have to work twice, even though I'm gonna put them later in hot water. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your Shine and Gem, apply to your hair, and then you're going to section your hair into 3, okay? Braiding your natural hair like a normal plait. And then you're just gonna place the crochet needle in, take the section that is smaller, okay, the smallest section, and then you're going to place it on the crochet hook, close the hook and pull it out, okay? And then once you do that, it's already going to be covering your natural hair, so you don't have to do, you know, extra or anything like that, because I'm using the same color as my natural hair. So I'm just gonna take the second piece, right, the bigger piece. I'm just gonna take it, place it on the top, and then you're going to try to make this into a circle, like you're trying to make a knot or something like that. Then you're just going to start braiding down, okay? This is so easy, very beginner friendly. Like anybody, even if you haven't braided hair by yourself, you can actually do this. You're just gonna braid it all the way down, and then you're just gonna tie a little knot at the end. Same concept, guys. Oh my gosh, this right here is very beginner friendly. Like anybody can actually do this. If you have never done braids by yourself, you want to be doing braids on your kids, this right here works every single time. I mean, I do this type of braids when I do Chase's hair. Chase does not like touching her hair or anything like that, so anytime I do this, I want to do some quick braids, I go for this method right here, and it actually comes all the way through. Okay, while I was still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes! Today's shout out goes to Katrina White. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, sis. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. You are a real one today. Okay, sis. Open the hook, place the braiding hair on the hook, close it, and then pull it out. And then you're going to take the bigger piece, right? And then I'm just gonna go around with it, trying to make like a knot, and then start braiding all the way down. This right here is very beginner friendly. Like anybody can actually do this. I've sectioned and did my braids in an hour. It's gonna take you longer, especially if it's your first time trying to do it, okay? So don't feel bad trying to say, oh my gosh, why is it taking me an hour and a half? Why is it taking me 2 hours? Sis, as long as it looks cute, okay? Once I'm done braiding, I'm just gonna take my mousse and make sure all the hairs are laid all the way down. And you know me, I gotta moisturize my scalp. I'm just gonna be using my Jamaican black castor oil mixed in with my coconut oil. And you know we gotta moisturize this hair or whatever. And then I'm going to be using my Kiss Edge Fixer, honey. Yes! We better lay these baby hairs down. And I'm using the brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And then I'm going to be using my scarf just to make sure my baby hairs are laid, honey. I'm going to be using my hot water. You know, make sure you're very careful with the hot water. Make sure there are no kids around. Make sure you are very careful because you don't want to burn yourself. All right, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to be dipping the ends, just the ends in hot water. That's about it. And I'm using my towel to dry it. And baby, when I tell you, this style came all the way through. Yes, sis. I am feeling these braids right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling them. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this style. Sis, when I tell you I am feeling good for, here we go, honey. We are looking cute. And you know me, I gotta throw in some styles here and there, okay? And baby, these styles are coming all the way through as well. Cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here I'm adding some gold accessories all over. And this made the hairstyle go to boop, 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 100. These braids are super light, very, very easy. I have about 28 braids in my head. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, for commenting. Oh my gosh, can you guys believe we are at 280K? Woo! I mean 280K. I cannot believe this. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. Let's get to 300K because baby, at this point, it is up from here. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.